Hey, it's story time again. Today, let's listen to the story of the lion's axe. Right. Long, long ago, in a forest, there lived a lion. He was the king of the jungle. And his prime minister, the jackal, was getting very old, and it was time for choosing a new prime minister. Ah, this is a difficult task. Let them set up a test, and I will be able to get the right prime minister, the lion thought, and he soon set out for the test. The next day, he had found an axe of the woodcutter in the jungle. He placed the axe in the center of the path and went and hid behind the bushes. He was waiting quietly for the other animals to pass by that way, and he thought that he would find the right candidate for the prime minister's post. Let us see who came first. A monkey. The monkey passed that way, and he was very excited to see such a shiny thing. He thought it was some kind of a new toy. He grabbed it and threw the axe in the air like a ball. In no time, he cut his tail with the axe. Ow! 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 The monkey cried in pain and ran back to the mango tree. The lion was very disappointed with the monkey. The next one was a fox. Yes, you know that the fox is an intelligent but cunning animal. She wanted to use the axe for her own benefit. Ah, what luck! If I take this, I'll become all powerful. I'll take this axe and kill all the farmers in the village, and then all their chickens will be free, thought the fox to herself. The lion heard her evil plan and pounced on her. Ow! The scared fox ran away. The lion went back behind the bushes and waited for the next animal. And then soon an ox was walking through the path. The ox smelled the dangerous looking thing and he immediately got an idea. Wow, this weapon can be useful. Up ahead, there are branches of trees which are blocking the road, and it's very difficult for the animals to pass by. Let me use this axe to cut off all the branches and clear the roads. He quickly took the axe in his mouth and cut down all the branches which were blocking the road. And the lion was observing everything. He was amazed at the ox's work. He realized that the monkey did not know how to use an axe. The fox used it for his own evil means, but only the ox used it for the benefit of everyone. He then thanked the ox for clearing the road and offered him to become his prime minister. The ox accepted the offer happily. Nice story, right? You know what you should do? As a leader, you must always use your power to help everyone. And whenever you want to use something, you should know how to use it, children, before you start using them. Otherwise, it will have bad consequences. All right? Okay. Take care. Bye.